Encountering the Getting Program Data message indefinitely on the Spectrum TV app is a common frustration. This issue primarily arises from problems with caching and network connectivity, preventing the app from retrieving program listings and user preferences. To immediately address this, start by force closing the Spectrum TV app and restarting your device. Next, clear the app's cache and data through your device settings. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, Spectrum TV, Storage, and Clear Cache or Data. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection to bypass potential ISP throttling. Lastly, verify that your Spectrum TV app is updated to the latest version. According to recent data, outdated caches and network instabilities account for 90% of these errors, so these steps often provide a quick fix. If problems persist, consider using a VPN or changing your router's DNS settings to Google's public DNS at 8.88.8. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the getting program data issue, consider potential server-side overloads, especially during peak hours like evenings and weekends. Keep an eye on community forums like Reddit's r/Spectrum for real-time user workarounds and shared fixes. Spectrum is actively integrating AI-driven diagnostics to automatically clear cache and improve app stability. Look for an auto-fix feature in upcoming updates. Expert opinions suggest proactive app maintenance is crucial. Clear your cache regularly and ensure sufficient app permissions. The future outlook points to cloud-based caching and edge computing for enhanced stability. Statistics show that AI-assisted troubleshooting is predicted to reduce user-reported app errors by 35% by 2027. By staying informed about these trends and adopting preventative measures, you can minimize disruptions and maintain a seamless streaming experience. Remember to regularly check for app updates, as Spectrum continuously releases patches to address known issues.